Hello everyone, final exam date is came, that is it is not going to be start from the 16th September, it will be held on 24th September. So today is 14th, that's why I was telling ki at least 10 days they will give you. So now the exam is going to start, that is UGC NET 2020 is going to start from 24th September. That is the final date. NTA have released the public notice in the NTA website. You can go for the NTA NET ntaac.in. So to get all the notification, all the update, authentic update, subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to get all the latest update. And not only update, here full preparation is going on. So we have more 10 days. In these 10 days I will provide you all the previous year's question solution with the subject wise, topic wise. That is, we have already solved the solution. Now we will practice all the topic wise, that is paper 1 and for the paper 2 computer science. So every day live classes will be there. For the paper 2 I am taking the live class for 4:30 p.m. There we are practicing the PYQs, previous year's question, and for the paper 2, that is computer science, 6:30 p.m. class is going on. That is 6:30 a.m. sorry, morning 6:30 a.m. I am taking the live class for the computer science, and sometimes I am trying to arrange the class at night also. So to get proper update and proper notification, try to join the Telegram channel. This is the Telegram channel, you can click this, that is the Unified Study Computer Science Telegram channel, and for the paper 1, Unified Study paper 1, you can join the Telegram channel. And please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, be prepared yourself. That is, exam is on 24th September, it is going to start from 24th September. You have 10 days more. So in these 10 days, try to utilize these 10 days, try to utilize your preparation. I am going to upload a video that in these 10 days how to boost your energy and how to boost your preparation to achieve your JRF. So best of luck for your exam, be prepared yourself, don't pause anything, don't pause your preparation, just in this speed, in this same manner, try to achieve your goal, and subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to get all the latest update. Thank you, bye bye. So be prepared for 24th September 2020 exam is going to start. Thank you, bye bye, have a good day.